Hello, we are Team Copper, and this is our plan to increase electric vehicle adoption in Chattanooga. Our plan consists of 5 objectives in order to be most effective. Objective number 1 would be to transition traditional diesel buses to electric buses. CARTA has already instated 3 full-size electric buses, and they plan to double or triple this in the near future. CARTA has stated that owning a diesel versus electric bus costs virtually the same, which allows CARTA to see this as an opportunity to reduce their emissions.
Objective number 2 would be to introduce new building codes that require NEMA 1450 outlets in residential garages. All new houses would be required to have one outlet wired to a 50 amp circuit for every 2 car spaces. This would make all new homes capable of level 2 charging with just a simple plug. Objective number 3 consists of power companies offering rebates for both commercial and residential charging infrastructure installations. EPB would offer a rebate/refund of $500 per charging station installed for both commercial and personal use. In the most efficient scenario, a single electric car will use, on average, $291 of electricity from EPB per year, which will essentially pay off the rebate in just 1.7 years.
Objective number 4 is adding docked electric scooters throughout the downtown area. Although docked electric scooters are not innovative, we would like to expedite the process. The cost for an electric scooter system depends on the scenario, but generally, they are between $100 and $500 per scooter. The main purpose for the scooters is for short trips, where cars would not be useful. The average scooter ride is about 2 miles or less, and the total range on a single charge is about 20 miles.
Objective number 5 would be to educate people about electric vehicles through community engagement events. A shocking study conducted by Ford shows that 42% of Americans believe that electric vehicles need gasoline to run, and another from J.D. Power shows that 58% of Americans express concerns about owning an electric vehicle. We think that directly connecting with Chattanooga residents through our public events would accelerate the adoption and usage of electric vehicles. These public events, similar to a fair, would host free test drives and educational opportunities to clarify these misconceptions and highlight the benefits of owning an electric vehicle. One way we think we can attract Chattanoogans to these events is by including a raffle to win a new car. We contacted VW and Nissan directly, and they both said that they would most likely support events like these and would either sponsor in some way or outright supply vehicles to our events.
The majority of Year 1 will be spent getting the plan in action. Once we reach Year 5, we expect that 25% of public buses will be electric, all new construction will have NEMA 1450 outlets, power companies will start to see a return on their investments, the electric scooter project will be at 50% completion, and we plan on continuing to host community EV events. By Year 10, we expect that our percentages will continue to increase and EVs will become more common in the city. Our downtown electric scooter project will be at 75% implementation, and half of Chattanooga's public transportation will be electric. We aim to have at least 40% of all brand new private vehicles sold to be electric. Because the EV market should be trending upward at this point, we believe that there will no longer be a need for our community events.
By Year 15, the majority of public transportation in Chattanooga will be electric, the scooter project will be complete, and we hope to see a significant increase in electric vehicle sales. By this point, we believe that Chattanooga will be known as an innovative leader in the electric vehicle industry, serving as an example around the nation for the social, economic, environmental, and even personal benefits of electrical transportation. Thank you for listening.